Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best ear cleaners for dogs that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the MalAcetic Apple Scented Ear Skin Cleanser. This dog ear cleanser helps to cut through the earwax in the ear canal, where issues can develop, by limiting microbial growth, which is helpful for pups predisposed to ear infections. And more importantly, you get the medicated addition of acetic and boric acid without needing your vet's signature. This ear cleaner may also be used to help prevent ear issues from starting in the first place. Keep in mind, if your pup has consistent ear issues, chat with your veterinarian to find the best long-term solution. This cleanser is also available in 3 sizes, starting at $16.29, price at time of publishing. Moving on at number 4, we have the VETNIQUE Oticbliss Advanced Cleaning Ear Wipes. These easy-to-use wipes soothe, deodorize, and help dry, itchy and uncomfortable dog ears. While not as effective at cleaning inside the ear canal as liquid cleaners or flushes, these wipes are great for pups that don't enjoy liquid in their ears or for those that are unable to tolerate liquid ear solution, such as dogs with damage to their ear canal or eardrum. If your dog has frequent ear issues, however, this ear wipe won't work to solve the issue alone. 2 size counts are available, either a 60 count or 100 count of wipes, starting at $19.99. Price at time of publishing. At number 3, we have the Virbac Epi-Otic Advanced Ear Cleanser for dogs and cats. This budget-friendly dog ear cleaner starts at just $12.34 for a 4 oz bottle, offering a favorable price and high-quality ingredients. Our vet panel agrees this ear cleaner is a great value for the cost and can be used as a routine ear cleaner. Additionally, it offers anti-odor agents to help with ear stink and is also ideal for pups with sensitive ears. No prescription required and contains high-quality ingredients such as EDTA and salicylic acid. However, if your dog is prone to chronic or severe ear infections, this ear cleanser alone won't alleviate the issue. At number 2, we have the Trice Ultra Plus Keto Flush for dogs, cats and horses. Some yeast infections require more to neutralize the odor, and this dog ear cleaner helps to fight infections and combat stinky ears. If you've ever gotten a whiff of your pup's ears when they are full of yeast, you know how unpleasant the scent is. Our vets recommend this dog ear cleaner as the best product to actively fight against yeast, as it contains the active ingredient ketoconazole, which works to target the yeast, which then limits the odor. This cleaner is specifically helpful for pups with allergies and those with chronic ear infections caused by yeast. And finally at number 1, we have the Vetoquinol Ear Cleaning Solution for dogs and cats, 4 oz bottle. An ear cleaner formulated to deodorize and clean ears, it can be used routinely or after swimming. Vetoquinol is a brand loved and trusted by our vet panel. This dog ear cleaner helps to keep a dog's ears dry and includes aloe vera to help calm any irritation in the ear canal. Available in 4 sizes, you can choose which amount you need on hand depending on frequency used and the size of your pet. It's a great choice for pups that actively swim or those prone to ear infections, no prescription needed.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon